Hello, welcome back. Today we are going to be talking about singleton design pattern. Sometimes in your app or game you need exactly one instance of a class, not two, not 10, just one single instance, and that is the source of your truth. Thinking of database connection, an audio manager, or in case of or today a game manager. So let's look at what happens when we don't use the singleton first. So you can see my code. Here's our first setup. We have a standard Kotlin class that is game manager. Here you can see the game manager is the class. Inside it, I have written a init block. We print a message every time it spawns. So every time this class is called, we print a message from the init block, and we print a message every time the class is called. So it also has a log score function to track our players. Now let's jump into our test. Let me run the test. So you I have taken this as a no UI project. I have just written a single test over here and I'm executing the test. I will sharing the link of this project in the description. You can check over there. So here's our first setup, and so the first is spawning the one and only game manager. This is the log from init block we are seeing over here, and we can see what is the game manager, that is this one. So the id for manager 1, when we call the game manager class, the function of log score over from the class game manager, this is the id that we get over here. Then player 2 scores and we get different thing. So this is from manager 2. So when manager 2 sees, we get some different id over here because some other object is getting created for the game manager. Some other object is created over here, so we are getting two objects of the gamer class over here with two different ids. So what to do, how to make it as singleton? We can simply replace the class with object in Kotlin. So this will create a singleton object, and here we need to specify the object, so we need to remove the curly braces over here, and let's run it. So this should also be changed, or because both the objects are same. Previously it was not same, so I have given not equal to, so they are the exact same entity. So it should be triple equal to, because these both objects manager 1 and manager 2 will be same in this scenario. Okay, so here comes the response. We are getting only one response over here for the spawning from the init block, because only one object is created, unlike in the class condition where we were seeing this message twice. And here also, if you see this id, it will be same for both the managers, the manager 1 and manager 2. So here we can see only a single object is getting created. So our console proves that init block run twice in the case of class, and when we make it as object, it runs only once. So by simply swapping the word class for object, you ensure memory efficiency, a single source of truth, and a bug free game state. So thank you for watching and happy coding.